Pictory AI is an amazing tool that simplifies video creation. You can transform a script, article, blog post, or even visuals into a professional video in just a few clicks. It's perfect for creating YouTube videos, vertical shorts, reels for social media, and even educational or corporate training videos. You can also repurpose your written content. Whether it's a blog, website article, or training material, Pictory lets you turn it into captivating videos for your website, emails, or social media. With the Pictory free trial, you can create up to 3 videos, each lasting up to 10 minutes. The free trial link is in the description below. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks longer videos and higher resolution exports. Currently, the annual plans offer excellent value, and they also have monthly options for just a bit more. These plans come with access to the Storyblocks library, which includes videos, images, and music. Normally, Storyblocks alone costs $30 per month. But with Pictory, you get it all starting at just $19 per month. To make it even better, you can save 20% on any Pictory plan with my exclusive coupon code. Just click the free trial link below and enter AMIN at checkout to claim your discount.